Hey guys, if Dracula was for real, which alcoholic drink do you think he would order at a bar? I think it would be a red wine sangria. So of course, I would want to have the Draculas at my place have them. So we'll need a chopped apple, red wine, cranberry juice, brown sugar, honey and club soda. So I'll quickly mention कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ से source की है. It's Kinley का club soda, cranberry juice is from Real, Shiraz red wine, brown sugar from Big Basket, apple of course, and शहद पतंजलि का है. Let's cut the apple into two pieces. अभी एक ही हाफ में यूज़ करूँगा. You would use both the halves अगर आपकी वाइन आप ज़्यादा बना रहे हो, सांग्रिया ज़्यादा बना रहे हो. I am barely making 750 ml in total. So I'll just use half of the apple, chop them into larger pieces and move them into a glass jug. So अब मैं इसमें pour करूँगा अपनी red wine, the base of everything for the red wine sangria. I'm using a Sula का Shiraz. You can also use Zinfandel Rosé और भी तरह की वाइन्स आती है like a late harvest Chenin Blanc. सारी अच्छी हैं. It depends on what kind of a sangria you are making today. So we'll just add the chopped apple pieces quickly. And give the glass jug a quick shake. Next, we'll refrigerate the wine apple mix for good 2 hours. I don't think इससे कम ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत है. This should be just enough. The flavor of the apple will mix well in this duration with the wine for great flavor enhancement of the end product. Let's now add brown sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and some honey. Now stir the mix gently and add the real cranberry juice. I've put 350 ml of each, wine and juice, equal parts of them. Stir the mix rigorously now. Your sangria is almost ready. Now let's pour it into your favorite wine glass and top it off with club soda as the final step. So there you go, your red wine sangria at home is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and become the best bartending homie for all of your friends. Cheers.